Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness. Okay, we got one. It looks like one of the birds got in a little mess here. Oh my goodness. What's going on with that? Hello? I don't know what happened. Yeah, that was a bit weird. But yeah, we have Wiggles, Nipples, Tyson, and I think this is Tyson over here, and the other's Lucky. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Tyson's beak. That's weird. And then in the background we have Lewis, Serena, Ben, Jemima laying over there, and Nugget with the two little goslings, Fred and Ethel, over there. So here's the thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. So here's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So the reason why, okay, I've been wondering why we haven't been getting as many ducklings as much as, because we've been getting a lot of goslings recently. They've got a very good hatch rate for them. But I'm kind of concerned for why we're not getting so many ducklings. We only hatched two, which was Tyson and Lucky. So, hi Nugget, how's it going? Stop it! But anyways, just saying that I feel like I might reach out to a couple also do farming channels, goose channels. Just a couple of those YouTubers. I might email them about that. But yeah, I don't know if it's the incubator, I don't know if it's the eggs, and maybe Jemima doesn't have very good eggs, I don't know. Because Serena has very healthy eggs when she lays them. Oh jeez, Lewis, stop biting the little ones, please. Just give it a rest. Sorry about that, Nugget kept attacking me. But anyway, yeah, I might email some farmer YouTuber about this issue because we're not getting ducklings really. And when it turns out really well when we first candle the duck eggs, and they are very healthy embryos. But when they're hatching, there's something going wrong, and I don't know what's happening. Stop it, Lewis! Bad boy. And there's Fred and Ethel over there. They are getting so big. Yeah, they're already getting really big. Look at their necks. They're already starting to develop their little necks. How cute. They're still adorable, though, even when they're still tiny and cute. Yep, and there they are. Hi, little nibbles. What's going on? Hi. Yeah. And look at the colors that Nibbles is doing on his back. Look at his back. It's like all, brown. Same with Wiggles a little bit, but not as much as Nibbles. Oh yeah. Well, actually, I was wrong. They're actually muddy, so they don't have brown feathers. Well, Nibbles has that little splotch right there. Sorry, bud. I'm not trying to poke at you. And you got a feather in your nostril, bud. What's going on? Serena, no. You stay away. Don't bite me. Serena, you be good. I like how Lewis is just in the background. Yes, look at these two. So cute. Yeah, Nipples has been kind of bonding with me a bit. He kind of likes me, actually. Now, Wiggles, why are you shaking your head at me? Oh my goodness, what did you get into? Little duck. What are you... Oh my goodness. I don't even know how you got in that mess. You better clean your beak off with some water. Aw, and Fred and Ethel just came up to me. Oh, never mind, they're getting chased away. Hi, Serena. What are you doing? Oh, jeez. Wiggles is chasing, wait, why was Wiggles chasing Lucky? I think that's Lucky that has the dirty beak. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, wait, no, that wasn't Wiggles. I'm sorry. I'm so confused today. It's Nugget. I'm sorry. Okay. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this funny little video, and especially seeing one of the girl ducks with that beardy beak. Leave a like and subscribe, and stay free.